Man can be good, but the nature of man is evil. It's selfish. God is good and remains good in spite of evil done against him. Man can be good, but man, the nature of man is selfish. He is wicked. It is God that comes into a man's heart and works on a man's heart and changes the nature of a man's heart, that man begins to think outside of himself towards another man and have compassion for another man, and can sometimes, in some cases we have seen, can lose his life for another man. Evil comes from man. It's not the nature of God. So when there's evil around us, we realize this is not my God. When we walk in the Spirit, we will not fulfill the desires of the flesh.